Okay, this is what you've got to see, because this is about, the fourth or fifth time she's done that. Gives us the butt, gets her water, I'm not sure why we're having multiple dunks of the cup. Okay, here we go. Good job, Bubs. Splash it out. Good job. And back to the drawing board. Gives us the butt. Nope, now we're going in. Okay. Coming back out. Cup in hand. You got your cuppy? Good job with the cuppy, Karina. Good job. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, good job.